it's Maddie and today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be ordering some Father's Day gifts. So we have 3 fathers to buy for. We have Everly's dad. We're gonna buy for Dada. We are gonna buy for my dad. And Sam, my stepdad. I get to have 2 dads, which is awesome. But we are going to pre-order everything because with Corona, ordering and shipping is taking longer than usual. So we have to pre-order. But we are going to get on the computer. The computer is right here. And we are going to pick some stuff out. If you are Sam, my dad, or Isaac, please do not watch this video. I really love surprises, and I do not want you all to spoil the surprises for yourselves. So we are going to pick out some Father's Day gifts. I think first we are going to pick out Isaac's, Everly's dad's, because I already know what I want to get him. So I saw like an Instagram ad with this. It's like a Simpsons painting, but it's of you and your kid. So it'd be like Isaac and Everly, but as Simpsons characters. So I'm going to look for this online and see if we can find it. Let's look for Dada's present. So Simpsons Father's Day. So I found a site. It's called Turned Yellow. This is not sponsored, by the way. And I'm going to try to make one of Everly and Isaac. Hopefully I can do that. It says you can upload. Huh. Okay. This is a digital product only. Okay, I need to find a page that you can actually like print it off and get it like shipped to you. So I found another site, and this one looks like Everly is crying. You can actually get it printed off. So the site needed pictures, so I got one of Everly and one of Isaac, and I am going to submit it to the site. So I just added the pictures, and Everly is finally back to help me. Are you gonna help Mama get Dada's present?
No.
No, you're leaving?
No.
You don't want to get Dada a present? No. So I started writing what they should be wearing, and then I saw that it was $80. So we're gonna look for something cheaper. This is much better. So we're gonna use Etsy to order the gift. I am so glad I am ordering now because it takes 1 to 4 weeks to get a picture. Do you want to get one of these for Dada?
This.
Yes.
Yes.
I like the view.
I like you. Yoda.
Yes.
Best view.
Meh. So I just wrote it out and I ordered it. I have to send a message to the seller. So we are doing that. Okay, so my dad wants an office shirt. So I am trying to find a funny shirt from the office to order for my dad. Okay, we found this one, and there's a men's extra large. My dad is not a woman, so we have to get the extra large in men's, and it says, I am dead inside, and I really think it reflects my dad's personality, so we are going to get that for him. Okay, so this is going to be for my stepdad. Everly calls him Pappy, so
Puppies.
we're getting Pappy.
Yeah.
That is literally perfect. Now, we are going to Target now. This is the fit to see if they have any more Father's Day stuff, because I know they sell out of it really fast when they do have it. But we are going to Starbucks first, so let's go.
Yes!
Or Dunkin' Donuts, which one?
Starbucks.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh.
We're going to Dunkin' Donuts.
Okay, of course.
Actually, maybe Starbucks.
Yes, thank you.
I don't know.
Oh my god, Maddie!
Now we are headed to Starbucks, and Everly is being difficult. We got our Starbucks, and we are headed into Target. Who are you getting that for, Ev?
Dada.
Perfect. She picked it out by herself, too. Good girl. All kinds of father stuff.
Dada. Please. Bunda. Dada.
This is a beer sling. I think I might get this for Sam. We're getting this for Sam.
Mama, bunda. Dada.
Fun times with Dada?
I wonder if anyone would see if I just like fan off my armpits. They hurt so bad. I have razor burn.
Okay, so there's Father's Day stuff. So let's get this bag. We'll get some tissue paper, and then we'll get,
Mama, like me mouse.
yeah, I guess we'll get
I think I need to get some aloe vera.
this bag. And then we'll get wrapping paper for Isaac's gift. Oh, it's queued up. I'm gonna look over here. So, my dad loves Himalayan pink salt, and I saw these sphere ice cubes that he would go crazy over. Wanna get these for Grandpa?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Everly picked out a slime kit, and she wants out. But we're gonna go get wipes and let her pick out something for her dad. So we are at all the dad shirts and stuff, so we are letting Ev out to let him pick out some stuff. Everly, look. There's a Mr. Incredible shirt.
Everly,
Or
stop.
a dog dad.
Everly. I'm gonna look at some clothes.
Oh, what about right here? Look. We could get this for... Do you want to get this for Grandpa Todd?
Yes.
Okay,
What
we're
does
gonna
it
get this
say?
for... It says best grandpa ever.
Mama.
Got some shoes. No, put those up.
No, mine videos.
No, they're not gonna fit you. Who do you want to get that for? Pappy, Dada, or Grandpa Todd?
Why are their shirts so much cuter?
Them buttocks.
You want to get that for Grandpa Todd?
They have a
Yes.
Def Leppard shirt.
Okay. We'll get an extra large. It says false and it has Dwight on it. Okay, now let's go over there and look. Do you want to get Pappy a cup?
Maddie.
Mama, what that?
Here, do you want to get this for Pappy?
Yes.
Okay, let's put it in the cart. Okay, now let's look over here at those shirts. Stop pushing the cart, you crazy girl.
Mama,
We are done picking out. Oh, those are cute.
Mama, not.
Get back in that cart right now.
No. Them.
So we are going to head to the checkout. We are home now and we are going to make some slime. Are you ready to make slime?
Mama, open.
Okay.
Makes.
Okay. So let's put in the glue.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to help Mama squirt in the glue? Gotta put all of it in.
Ah.
It's a great noise.
Mama, open.
Me on the toilet after Taco Bell.
Maybe.
Mama, not eat it.
Yeah, we don't eat it. Let's add the slime activator. Now stir it.
That Mama's time.
Oh, it turned into slime.
Oh, wow. Take, Mama, take.
Yeah, stir it, baby, stir it.
Whoa.
Okay.
That Mama.
I think it needs more activator. It's still pretty gluey. Okay, keep stirring. Avi's playing with one of the slimes we bought.
Smells so good. Everly smelled it.
Oh, that. Look, it.
Yeah. Here, let me play with some.
No, mine.
It needs a
What?
lot more activator.
I let you play with my stuff.
Oh,
You don't need to get.
Oh my god, this is so sticky.
yes, Mama. Yes.
Dope.
Okay, so our slime is officially done. Everly, look, we made this. Oh, we're putting, oh no, don't put that in there. Don't put that in there.
No.
So what color do you want to make the slime? We have gold or purple, and we also add glitter. So do you want to make your slime gold or purple?
Mama, let my hands.
Oh, you got slime on it. Which glitter? The stars? Let's do the stars.
Yeah, that bad.
Okay, so we're gonna cut the slime in half. Save half of it for another glitter.
Oh,
And then
man.
add, we're gonna add the purple and the stars. Squish it really good.
That's enough.
Let mama do it real fast. It's getting stuck.
Mama, wow.
Yeah. Also, comment down below, should I make a channel for me and Everly where we just do like
Ooh.
toys and like making slime and doing crafts and stuff like this, because I like to keep this one more like oriented to an older audience, like teenagers and adults. But I can make like a channel where we like do slime, crafts, and stuff like that. Okay, we are all done making slime. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for coming Father's Day shopping with us. And I hope you didn't watch this if you're one of the people receiving Father's Day gifts. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.